Hey guys, my name is Deandra. Welcome to another video. Keep on watching if you want to see how I got these passion twists. Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Deandra. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do passion twist. Well, I'm going to be trying to do it with you because today is my first time. Surprise. I'm going to be trying to do it with the crochet needle. I have a regular one, but I also got an extra large one. Since it's my first time, I feel like it would be easier to use if it was bigger. Maybe that's just me like thinking it'll be easier and it won't. So we'll see if this is like a lot, then I can always switch it out to the regular size. So my hair is fully blow dried already. It's blown out and stretched, so this will be hopefully easy and fast to do. So first, what we always have to do is rubber bands. I always thought that these were so scary and so dangerous, but I did them last time when I did like my box braids and they came out so good and it made it so easy to put it in by myself. So you're gonna grab these elastics, get a little bowl, and then get your favorite oil. Right now I'm just using the Do Grow Mega Thick Formula oil. So it's a mix of oils. You're gonna pour that inside of your bowl and then saturate your rubber bands with that. Getting your rubber bands all oiled up makes it really easy when you're taking down your hair so you don't actually snag or rip anything out. So it's really awesome. If you're gonna be using the rubber band method, your rubber bands need to be dunked in oil. So I'm trying not to like knock it over, but you can see what I'm doing from that. Last time I kind of went like I put in a rubber band as I put in the braid. I might put the parts in all throughout my hair, so then when I go back, all I have to do is just the crochet and like so I can keep it moving. So I'm gonna try it that way, and then at the end I'll tell you which one I prefer and which one I think is easier. I'm gonna do shoulder length passion twists, so I'm gonna tie them off at the end with a rubber band as well. I thought that look was really cute. I don't count how many twists I'm originally gonna have. I usually start with 2 or 3 in the back, like by the nape of my neck. 2 if it's gonna be bigger, like if I was doing a chunkier style, but since I'm not, I'm gonna do 3 in the back, and then do the, I'm not even sure, the stacking like brick method. That's what type of part I'm gonna be doing. I'm not even sure if that's what it's even called, but I'm gonna go for that one. So I'm gonna part the back and I'll be right back so I can show you how to do the top. After your hair is parted, we're gonna go ahead and add grease to the entire section, then gel, and then we're gonna follow that up with a rubber band and tie it as tight as you can to the base. Then we're gonna take the hair, I used 2 to 3 pieces, and fluff it out. And then we're gonna wrap 2 pieces that we have around the 1 piece of our natural hair, and then start braiding it as if you were braiding a cornrow. And when you do this, you wanna make sure that your real hair is always the middle piece. That's gonna make it easier. After you've braided it a few times down, it should be tight and have the knot effect. Then you're gonna split your natural hair into 2 sections, combining them with the 2 sections of the fake hair, and then you're gonna twist. And we're gonna twist, twist, twist all the way down. And then you're gonna finish that off with a rubber band and then cut it to your desired length. To stop the hair from fraying at the ends, I dunk it and seal it in hot water. So now we're gonna do this again. So remember, you grease your hair, then gel it, then tie it up. Don't forget to fluff out your fake hair. And again, you're gonna wrap the 2 pieces of fake hair around your 1 piece of real hair, starting with your real piece of hair in the middle, grabbing everything by the base. I start the braid on the right side and cross that over left, and that's how I start the braid. And again, you're just gonna braid it down as if you're doing a cornrow. You do that a few times, split your real hair into 2 pieces to match the 2 extension pieces, and you're just gonna twist away. There are 38 twists, and it took about 5 hours to complete. So here's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!